All right, so we've got permutation and combination here again. The biggest thing with these is trying to figure out which is which. And remember, combination, all that matters is you're either included in the selected group or you're not included. Permutation, there's some further ranking or ordering or distinction between the things that are chosen. So here we have 7 acts and it lists them out. Event A is the probability that the first 4 acts are the dancer, the magician, the juggler, and the comedian in any order. So all that matters is, are they selected for the first 4 or are they not? So in event A, probability of A, we want the number of ways we can do that. And then the number of ways that we could choose any for. So the particular chance of choosing those 4, or how many ways to choose those 4, well, there's only one way. We have to get exactly all 4 of those. We have to get the dancer, the magician, the juggler, and the comedian. How many different ways are there to choose for? Well, that's where we get quite a few possibilities. So here, it's a combination because it doesn't matter. All that matters is whether or not they're included. There's 7 to choose from, and we're choosing 4. So this is basically the number of ways to choose 4 out of 7. And of all those ways, there's only one that will get us what we want. So this is the probability we're looking for. And then on the second one, probability of B, it's similar, but we want the magician, the comedian, the violinist, and the juggler in that order. So in this case, not only does it matter if you're selected for the first 4 or not, but you also have to be within that specific order. So this is same idea, but a permutation here. And then we can calculate these two. Let's use where's our Alex calculator? Well, if they will not give us a calculator, we shall calculate it with Google. So I'm just going to do a search for 7 choose 4. That'll give us 35. Okay, so this one here would be 1 over 35. And then B would be 1 over 7p4. Actually, I'm not quite sure how to type that into Google. Let's see. Let's try that. This is a combination. And we'll just grab a calculator here. So 7. And this gives us 840, which there should be many more, right? If we're going to put them in order, there should be a lot more ways to do it. So 1 out of 840. Okay, so some other things to mention here. We could easily calculate that, the permutation. There's a nice formula. All we would have to do is 7 factorial over 7 minus 4 factorial. So 7 factorial over 3 factorial. And we could have got that 840 if we really couldn't have found a way to calculate it otherwise. But key point to put out here, that combinations are when all that matters is you're chosen or you're not. Permutation, there's some further ordering there. That's really the center point of this problem.